Oh, hey guys, Bully Kid here checking in, and this is my rig. This is my iPhone setup that I just rigged up. Real simple, real easy to use. And if you guys are interested in finding out how you can build a rig just like this one for your YouTube channel, very simple, very budget friendly. So stay tuned and keep watching. I'll explain everything in the video following. I don't know about you guys, but when I started making YouTube videos, the most affordable thing was my iPhone. That was my go-to setup. It was cheap, it was affordable. I already had it for the most part. So the best thing to do when you have a YouTube channel, don't invest heavy amounts of money into equipment, into computers, because you're gonna have to upgrade as you go, but you don't wanna skip the learning steps that come with a budget setup. You don't necessarily need an expensive camera or expensive equipment to create creative content for your audience. So in this video, we are going to be talking about my rig that I used. I currently am filming on a GoPro Hero 6 and I have external audio mic attached to it. But let's talk about something like this, what you're going to be using when you first start off. So your general iPhone has decent cameras on it and it has decent audio on it. But when you expose this thing to wind, there is a ton of wind noise and the audio just gets degraded super quick. Now, one of the most important things aside from the video quality is the audio quality. Somebody can watch a very clear video, but if it has really bad audio, it is going to bring tears to their ears and they will stop watching your video. So we start off with a plain iPhone 6. I like the iPhone 6 and the 6Ss because they still come with the standard aux input. If you are running a 7 and on iPhone, you will need the little adapter, which is going to cost you a little bit extra, or just use your factory one that comes with your iPhone. But we are going to improve on this rig, this Virgin rig right here, by adding a mount, adding a wide angle lens, and adding an external audio mic. Now just those three things will step your video content creation from here all the way up to here. So let's see what we got. So first you're going to get your mini tripod over here. Links will be in the description for all these things. I like this because it's very flexible. You can mount it on other surfaces. It is very soft to the touch, so you can put it on car surfaces or things that might scratch easily. You're going to put this phone right onto the bracket here, and nice and steady. You can always adjust this and it looks good. It's not flimsy and it's just right. You don't want to have a huge gorilla pod when you're walking outside or vlogging somewhere. So now that we got the mounting point and it's easier for me to carry this phone and flip it if I want to go selfie screen or point of view screen, very easy to do. So now let's go ahead and mount the wide angle lens, which is going to help just bring out the picture so the audience can see more of what you're trying to portray to them. These cameras are good, but they don't have a wide lens. So once you guys put that wide angle lens, you will see a lot more and everything will be in the picture for the viewer to see. And for this, we are using the Amir 3-2-1 kit. Now this kit is awesome. It comes with a wide angle lens, a macro lens, and a super fisheye lens. So this is what I started off with, link in the description below, and this is how it looks. Very simple. It is a clip-on, so you can use this on your iPhone. If you have another phone, you can swap it over and it just goes over your camera just like that. Now on my phone, what sucks is that the flash is right there and this wide angle lens covers up the flash. If you had a different phone where you have a wide angle lens here or your camera here and your flash here, would be more beneficial because you can still take a video while the flash is on, which will give you a better visual picture. But a setup just like this is good enough. But remember, if you're filming outside, guys, that wind noise will destroy the audio, and this is where an external microphone comes into play. This right here is just a cheap little T-tap that I kind of custom made, but you can get these things online. It is a 3-pin TRRS type 3.5mm adapter, and just like that, guys, we got great audio that's getting picked up from the surrounding area. There is a windscreen on that, so there won't be noises that are destroying your audience here. And just like that, you got a super cheap, effective vlogging camera. I don't know how much this is gonna cost. This little piece is probably gonna be about $5, $10. The wide angle lens was about $20, and depending on what microphone you get, it could be anywhere from $10 to $15. This setup right here is awesome, guys. It could stand on its own. You can hold it, you can mount it. But I also would recommend getting a tripod for those stationary shots. This thing's awesome because you can adjust it up and down, probably around 4 feet high, up in the air. So for some shots, this is going to be very beneficial. So altogether, guys, for this rig with the mini tripod, you're looking under $50-$60, and you are on your way for YouTube 2019-2020, guys. So if you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like this video if you found any of this informative. Thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my